Okay, we got a GE dryer. And right now our door is opening from left to the right, and we need to flip the door around so it opens from the right to the left. Because when you walk in this laundry room, you're walking in right here, the dryer's over to our left, you have to reach all the way over here, and the door is opening up against the washing machine, and you want to have it the other way. Makes it easier to pull your clothes out of the washer and just throw them in your dryer. Okay, we got our door open. First thing you want to do is come over here on the left side. These four little plugs. We got one here, and then we got one down here and here. Want to go ahead and pull those out. You can use just a little putty knife. Get in there, try not to damage it, and just pull them out. Got that one. You want to save those. You're going to need them for the other side. Okay, we got all four of our plugs removed. Now we'll come over here to our hinge side, and you can see we got two screws back here on this hinge and two more down here at our bottom hinge. So we're going to remove the bottom screw from the top hinge, and we're going to remove the bottom screw from our bottom hinge all the way out. Okay, once you have your two bottom screws out, come over to the side that you're mounting the door and go ahead and insert those screws at the top of the holes on the other side. You don't want to put them in all the way, but just bring them in a little bit. Alright, we got both of these screws in partially. Now we'll come back over to our door side, and then we'll back out our top screws on both hinges just a little bit. We don't want to take them out all the way. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and lift our door straight up off. Okay, we got our door off. Now we'll come over here where our catch is going to go, the opposite side of the catch. Go ahead and remove these two screws and remove this cover plate. And we'll do the same thing over here where our catch is. We'll remove those. Okay, now we'll bring our door catch and our screw onto the side that we want it. And then we'll mount our blank plate on the side over here. Okay, now we'll finish taking out our screws that we're holding the door on. The top one, bottom one. Okay, we'll grab our four plugs and we'll insert those on the side that had our hinge. Okay, now we'll get ready to hang our door on the side that we're moving it to. Okay, all we did was flip the door upside down, and come in here, hang that on the top hinge, and do the same on the bottom one. There's the bottom, there's the top. Now we'll get our other screws started. Okay, now on the door itself, you don't have to move this piece because we got one on the top and bottom. So some of them have a blank that you will have to relocate these, but fortunately for this door I didn't have to do that. So move our light and we'll test it out. It's pretty easy repair. That's how you reverse the door on these newer GE dryers. Alright, well, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.